Welcome to another hilarious construction fail compilation. Get ready for epic blunders, wacky mishaps, and jaw-dropping moments that'll leave you in stitches. From collapsing scaffolds to runaway cement mixers, we've got it all. If you love a good laugh, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite fail, and subscribe for more chaos. Thanks for joining us. Let's dive into the madness.
Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Ha ha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
That's it for now, squad. Hope you laughed so hard you forgot your Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching 7 p.m. daily. Be there.